Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sport that is factory certified. On the exterior, we have halogen headlights, rear backup camera, and easy to remove hardtop. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating for 5, push to start technology, and auto dimming rearview mirror. The 5-inch LCD touchscreen display has integrated voice command with Bluetooth to keep you connected on the go. This one-owner 2019 Jeep Wrangler has less than 1,700 miles, factory certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.